he doesn't poop on the truck.
Hey, pull the window down. Mine. Mine, Daddy. Can you?
I'm taking video.
This guy's along for the ride. He really wants another Cheeto, Jonathan.
Me too. Can you roll down mine? Everyone's gonna be surprised.
Everybody's laughing. His name is Ghost Ride.
Okay, this wasn't a great idea.
Can't believe you stayed on.
Is it illegal to travel with a bird on your window?
Down,